Hello everyone. Now in this video you are going to learn how to draw the projections of a triangular pyramid when its side is parallel or perpendicular to certain conditions. So in the previous videos you saw that the orthographic projections of a prisms, triangular prism, square prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, when its axis is parallel to vertical plane. So now in this video I am discussing the pyramid when its axis is parallel to HP. So you can relate both and then you can see. Now what is a triangular pyramid and what about the axis parallel to HP, how it looks like? There are three certain conditions. A triangular pyramid base is parallel to HP and VP, and triangular pyramid edge of the base is perpendicular to HP, and the third case is when the edge of the triangular pyramid is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. So before seeing these three conditions, let us first have the look of when its axis is parallel to HP. See, as on the screen you can see that this is a triangular pyramid having only one base at the back and are connected with the triangular faces towards the apex point called O. This is one apex point. So now if you see, observe carefully, the triangular pyramid is having only one base and it is having three edges AB, BC, CA. As of the first condition, edge of the base is parallel to HP. The edge AC is parallel to vertical plane as well as parallel to horizontal plane, and we know that axis is parallel to HP. If you see, the axis of the solid is parallel to HP and perpendicular to vertical plane. This axis is parallel to HP and perpendicular to vertical plane. Also you can say that the base of the pyramid is parallel to vertical plane. So one condition you can see in many ways. So the axis is parallel to HP and perpendicular to vertical plane, or the base of the pyramid is parallel to vertical plane. Now according to the first condition, the edge AC is parallel to both the planes. So when the edge is parallel to both the planes, the observer is here. So the front view appears as a triangle with the connected triangular faces towards the center. This is the BO, triangular face, AO, CO, C dash O dash. Everything will connected to the center called apex point. So we will draw the same on the AutoCAD. So the base edge is 30 mm. So first polygon, number of sides 3, edge method, side 30. Yes, perfect. Now we'll give the notations 60. Okay, here I am taking it as A dash, B dash and then C dash. Okay, now the base is ready. Now we have to connect the triangular faces towards the center because it's a pyramid, not a prism. Yes, now we need connected all the faces towards this one. Now to draw the top view, we need to erect the projectors till the reference line. Yes. Now when you see from the top, it appears as a triangle. It appears as a triangle of length AC. So the edge AO is clearly visible. The edge BO is clearly visible. The edge CO is also clearly visible. So that's why continuous edge and continuous edge. So the axis line coincides with the visible edge BO. According to the priority of the lines, we will give first priority to the visible line. So there is no need of representation of the axis line here. So now first I am taking the axis length as 80 mm. Okay, now I am connecting this to here. Yes, now this is AO and this is BO and this is CO. I connected the triangular faces. Now I am drawing the base of the pyramid. Yes. I am taking it as 0.35, line weight display on. Yes. Now I will give the text. As I said, this one is A and this is B and this is C, and this point is apex point O because it's a top view, and this one is the O dash. Yes, now perfectly it is correct. A, B, C, O. We can move it to near point. Okay. Yes. So this is all about when the edge of the base is parallel to HP and VP. Now we'll give the dimensions. Now this is all about the side of the polygon. Now this is the axis height as 80 mm. We can increase the text height. I am giving it as 5. This one arrow ahead as 3 primary units. Okay, close. Okay, now with this we completed the first case. Now the second case is the edge of the base is perpendicular to HP. If you see the second case, this is the triangular pyramid having the base, and now this edge is turning 90 degrees. When it turns 90 degrees, see, this edge AC is perpendicular to horizontal plane. This edge is perpendicular to horizontal plane, and when you see from this side, it looks like a triangle, but this edge will represent, see, this AC turns 90 degrees. Now what I am going to do is that first I will take the reference line to draw in the same thing. Okay, polygon, number of sides 3, edge method, specify first point, switch on the ortho. Yeah, side is 30. Okay, move. Yeah, okay, now this is perfectly this one. Yes, so this is A dash, B dash, and then C dash. So this A dash C dash turns 90 degrees. Now this edge is perpendicular to HP. Now connect all the triangular faces towards the apex point because it's a pyramid. Yes, now draw the projectors to draw the top view. Yeah, now again the axis is 80 mm. Connect this one. These are the triangular faces, and now I am drawing the base of the pyramid. Okay, now if you see, the AO and CO will be on the same line. The projector is on the same line. AO and CO will be on the same line, whereas BO, this one, and coming to this point is called the axis. So to represent the axis, I am loading the line type other, load, I prefer center to. Okay, okay, now this is the base. First I will give the visible edges at first. all these are visible. Okay, 0.35. okay, and this represents the axis. So I am giving the center to line as well as color. Yes, perfect. You can see the same here. You can see the same. Yes. Now text. So A is visible, A of C. When you see from the top, A is visible, C is not visible, A of C, and this is B, and this is the apex point O, and this is O dash. Perfect. Now with this, the edge of the base is perpendicular to HP case also finished. We'll give the dimension for this one. Yes, 30, and the axis height as 80. See it perfectly, A of C, B, O. And now we want to draw when the edge of the base is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. If you observe carefully, this one A, B, C, among this one AC is parallel to HP and VP, and when this edge turns 90 degrees it looks like this, but when this edge turns 30 degrees it looks like this. So where the theta equals to 30, it completely differs. So what I am going to do is that instead of drawing it again, I am copying this one, Control C, Control V, just I am pasting it here. Okay, I'll delete it. Okay, now rotate. As of now, the AC edge is having with respect to HP 0 degrees. Now I am specifying the base point as A, the rotation angle as 30 degrees to HP. See, now it turns 30 degrees. DAN, dimension, angular. See, the edge AC is having an angle 30 degrees with respect to HP. Now to draw the projections, yes, till the reference line, erect, again the same, when it turns 30 degrees again it looks like the same. $80 degrees. So when it turns 30 degrees, if you want to change, if you can change the angle, and then you can check which is visible, which is invisible. As of now it appears the same condition. Now this one, this one, this one are visible, and this is the axis line. Okay, I am giving the color DAL. Yes, see, now the three conditions satisfies. We have to give the notations for this one also. Again this one, if you see, B of A, and this is C, and this is apex point O. So with this we completed the projections of the triangular pyramid when the axis is parallel to HP and three certain conditions. So this is the way to draw the projections.